Six key players have been dropped for Kwasa Asante Kotoko against BECHEM United. Saturday that game neighbor so. Key player Richmond Lamte out of the squad. Frederick Asare out of the squad. Nicholas Mensah out of the squad. Eric Zeze out. Bernard Samoa and so out. And Richmond Opoku out. So key players have been dropped. Ebimo Diano accumulated cast, I understand. Yes, squad no wahame the bro quickly. Coming as surprise. Na omo returning no as usual. Danlad obeka say me reports be say players nesi you here no. Danlad are returning into the squad. Mfege so are returning into the squad. Then you know wahame the bro. E wo fear a high super 24 TV. Me so unsubscribe here. Na waboso ama me fast na ekuyenim. Now squad no enoni the squad for Kotoko against BECHEM United. Danlad Ibrahim, yes, Danlad Ibrahim. Aba back into the squad. Justice Blay so aba back into the squad. Peter Amidu Akwa are returning. Hey, oda sujinem dada. Justice Blaze wom. Stephen Mukwala na returning oko international break waba. Isaac Opon Neymar wom no ho ato no 9 year. Frederick are returning into the squad. Frederick Mfege, yes, Georges Mfege are returning. Samuel Asamoah Abudu. Yes, Samuel Asamoah Abudu. Moise Poite has been maintained as the goalkeeper, second choice. And Kalu Watara also waba back into the squad. Ojinem BECHEM United game. They likely say Behu Onet Mukwala ewo animu for Krobia Asante Kotoko boys. Ukuma Pembe by Samutu Yemfanko Chalotu. Key players are more mixing out no enyasem ketu akra but Ogum onim there all enti man of the benefit of the doubt na yen hwe there Rocky Dramana and so I was squad saying Ishak are returning after so many games are yen no Baba Yaya has been maintained squad no oda sujinem Anderson Timenu aba back into the squad. Henry Ansu aba oda sujinem Nicholas Osebonsu oda sujinem Emmanuel Kote Kotoko Emmanuel Kote oda sujinem new player I assigned the last one Enoch Morrison our squad no and John Tedeku and so APM enim say china on never kwa kobo 3 na say obe yusu Justice Blay ewo ho na say obe switch na why no different rules and also time will tell, but the game is Saturday 3 p.m. full coverage at the Beba. We wish Krobia Asante Kotoko the best in this particular game.